She ain't wearing panties tonight. It is about to go down to the... Hey, what's going?
Let's go.
All right, where are we going?
It's hot in here. Can you turn it on?
Oh, yeah, my AC went out here. All you got to do is double click this. All right, so now we're on AC mode. We'll see if that starts frosting up here.
No way.
You never seen one of these before?
No, I love this thing. It's so...
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, yeah, that's the condensation building up. There's a condenser inside, so it actually builds up frost, and now, wait, it gets better. So you're just going to go like that. Feel that.
It's cold air. Shut up.
Yeah, turn it up on the side. You just turn up on that dial there. Yeah, I actually put a temperature. I put a temp gun on it, and it was like blowing high 30s.
It's so strong.
I know. I've never seen anything like it.
Me neither. I love this thing.
Yeah, they actually just came out with these, and they're like blowing up right now. Honest, like I think they're running a sale right now. If you want to check it out, I can show you a link.